Hey, what's up? You missed last verses. You should have been there. Red versus blue was off the chain. You want a recap? Let me think about it. All right, fine. Why not? Let's do it. How you guys feeling?
Doing good.
Good, man. Glad to hear it.
My name is Raphael Ployce. Welcome to 22222 Tuesday. I currently work in the field penetration tester.
Come on, man. My name is Marcus Bowie. For those who don't know, you should know. I'm the Cyber Reverend on Twitter, and I'm Blue Team all the way.
We're gonna start. Should we do a coin toss? Like, anybody prefer to go first?
Let Ray go first, since they always
Ray go
trying to get in people networks. Let y'all go first.
They do be starting stuff, right?
Well, I guess going off of that, if red team has to go first for blue team to do anything, I guess your jobs based on our jobs. And one of the things that we have is flexibility, right? So when you're on the blue team, you kind of have to be in that sock a lot of times. You know, they set up that center for you. You got to come in, you got to bring in your coffee, you got to fight that traffic, you got to sit there at the screens, and they're nice, they're pretty, they're blinking, but you got to be there. As the red team, I can be on the beach, maybe have some a coconut, a nice little coconut rum, just flip open my computer, maybe do a little, just a little testing around your site. Maybe I'm on a vacation. That's okay. I can work and be on vacation at the same time.
Ladies and gentlemen, people of the press that's watching this at home, yeah, that sounds good. Being remote and all, being on the beach with your rum drink and your IP address and your whatever. But we got the same thing on the blue team side. So don't get it twisted. There's one reason why I think, or why I believe, that blue team is way better than red team. Because think about it. All you out there that want to do red team work, all you out there that's applying for them jobs, let me break it down to you. Your first job is not going to be red team. It's going to be blue team. So think about it. Who's giving you your first shot in the cybersecurity field? Blue team.
Smoke. Smoke. Oh, man. You guys did not come here playing. That's for sure.
Red team, what I also like to talk about is transferable skills. So when you're in the red team, have you all heard of bug bounties? So bug bounties, any company, Facebook, Meta, YouTube, any company really, Sony, they all have these programs called bug bounties. And essentially what that lets you do as a hacker is you can go in and you can test their site. You can basically red team these huge Fortune 500 companies. You can go ahead, red team them, and they'll give you a payout if you find a vulnerability.
Let me show you another thing that we can catch that the red team does. And they like to get in with phishing links and misdirects and like to redirect users to different websites and X, Y, and Z. But in the SOC, we can catch all that. 9 times out of 10, you know what the user is going to do? They're going to go to their history file after they've been shopping all day and ain't doing no work, and they're going to clear that history. All that data is gone. So if I go back to my history file, I have no data here. And to a average person, that may be true. But there's a little tool I like to use in the SOC realm. It's called Browser History Viewer. Browser History Viewer will allow me to view, and this is kind of shoddy right now. I don't know why that's the case, but it will allow me to view that user's web history to tell whether or not that user clicked on a malicious link, clicked on a phishing email, or just was shopping all day. When I click OK, hopefully I can make this big. It's kind of spotty, but from my end, but I can see where they went. I see Hulu on here. I see Yahoo on here. I see Yahoo. I'm sorry, Hulu, and a few other places that they went to on here.
Hey, Marcus, you about to get a lot of people in trouble, man. You be showing these secrets out here, man.
Hey, all the guys, just go to that file and delete it.
Hey, you ever see that meme where the Grim Reaper comes and it says, Can I just delete my browser history first?
delete the history file, and I wouldn't have to find it.
Need to get into cybersecurity but don't know how or where to start? Call PJ Cybersecurity School at 301-576-2977. Learn from our white hat hackers and cybersecurity specialists who work in the field. Achieve your goal with our tried and proven system, which includes on-the-job style training, certification boot camps, and resume and interview assistance. Call 301-576-2977 and visit us at pjcourses.com. Get trained, get certified, get hired.